Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another exciting lesson of English subject for grade 2. I hope all of you are fine and you are waiting for this lesson because we have started a very colorful and beautiful story. Yesterday we had started the story. The name of that story was Faiza's Biscuit. Faiza's Biscuit. Okay, before moving on to the next part of the story, I want to ask a few questions from you. My first question is, where was Faiza standing? Where was Faiza standing? Very good. Faiza was standing outside a restaurant. Faiza was standing outside a restaurant. Faiza was standing outside a restaurant. My next question is, what did Faiza see? What did Faiza see? Very good. Faiza saw a car. Faiza saw a car. And what else do you think she saw that day? What else did she see? Very good. Faiza saw a family going into the restaurant. Faiza saw a family going into the restaurant. Faiza saw a family going into the restaurant. Where was Faiza standing? Faiza was standing outside a restaurant. What did Faiza see? Faiza saw a car. Faiza saw a car and Faiza saw a family going into the restaurant. Then Faiza saw a family going into the restaurant. After recap, I want all of you to open your books at page number 3. Page number 3. This is page 3 of your book. Before starting, I want you to have a look at the pictures. What can you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Very good. It is a family inside the restaurant. It is a family inside a restaurant. And what do you see on the table? What do you see on the table? There is ice cream, 3 cups of ice creams, and biscuits, and cold drinks. Ice cream, biscuits, and cold drinks. Now let's start. The people are having fun. The people are having fun. Having fun means enjoying. The people are enjoying. The people are feeling very happy to be there in the restaurant. The people are having fun. The people are enjoying. They are eating ice cream and biscuits. They are eating ice creams and biscuits. They are eating ice creams and biscuits. Now let's have a look at the second picture. The little girl is cutting a cake. Now that little girl which was looking at Faiza, is now cutting a cake. The little girl is cutting a cake. The little girl, the small girl, is cutting a cake. What are the others singing? What are the others? Now from others they mean other people. What are the other people singing? What are the other people singing? They are singing Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear little girl. Happy birthday to you. Now they are singing the birthday song. They are singing the birthday song. Now let's have a look at the third picture. What do you see in this picture? This is a wall. This is a wall. Wall. And this is that car. Car. Faiza is sitting on a wall. You can see that by yourself in the picture. Faiza is sitting on a wall. Faiza is sitting on a wall. Close to the car. Close means near the car. Faiza is sitting on a wall near the car. Close to the car, near the car. Now you know the meaning of close is shut. But here in this sentence, it is giving you different meaning. Close means near. Close means near. Faiza is sitting on a wall close to the car, near the car. Close to the car, near the car. Now let's have a look at the next picture. Let's have a look at the next picture. The party is over. The birthday party. The party is over. The party is finished. The party is finished. The party is over. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. Now look at these party bags. They are having their party bags. And they are wearing on their head party hats. You can see party hats on their heads. They are kind of caps. Hats means caps, but party hats are different from the other caps. They are cone-like. Everyone is carrying party bags and wearing party hats. Carrying means holding. They are holding party bags and wearing party hats. The little girl goes to Faiza. She gives her a bag and a box. Now you can see this is a party bag and it is a box. So the little girl gives a bag and a box to Faiza. A bag and a box to Faiza. The little girl goes to Faiza. Goes to Faiza. She gives her a bag and a box. She gives her a bag and a box. Faiza opens the bag. Faiza opens the bag. She eats some cake. Now, what was in the bag? What was inside the bag? There was cake inside it. There was cake inside it. So Faiza opens the bag. Faiza opened the bag and there was cake inside it. So she eats some cake. She eats some cake. She eats some cake. She does not open the box. She does not open the box. What is in it? What is in it? They are asking from you, students. You will think about it. What is inside the box? What is inside the box? Now let's have at the previous picture. In the previous picture, we can see the box, and what is inside the box? Biscuits. Biscuits. They have written the name of the biscuit, Burke's Butter Biscuits. Burke's Butter Biscuits. So, Faiza opened the bag to eat the cake, but she did not open the box. She does not open the box. What is in it? There are biscuits inside the box. What is inside the box? There are biscuits inside the box. Now I want to ask a few questions from you. What were the family celebrating in the restaurant? What were the family members doing in the restaurant? Very good. They were celebrating a birthday party. They were celebrating a birthday party. Where was Faiza sitting? Where was Faiza sitting? Faiza was sitting on a wall near the car. Faiza was sitting on a wall near the car. What did the girl give Faiza? What did the girl give Faiza? The girl gave a bag and a box to Faiza. The girl gave a bag, a party bag, and a box to Faiza. Okay, who will tell me that what was inside the bag? Who will tell me what was inside the bag? Excellent. There was cake inside the bag. There was cake inside the bag. Okay, what was inside the box? What was inside the box? Excellent. There were biscuits in the box. There were biscuits in the box. Now we will have a look at the new words that came across while reading today. Now we will have a look at the new words that we saw in the story. People. 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 In this word, the O remains silent and we will just pronounce the E. People. People. The next word is biscuits. Biscuits. The letter U will remain silent in this word as I told you earlier. Biscuits. 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 Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Cutting. 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 Singing. 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 Others. 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 Wearing. 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 Now many students call it wearing. Wearing. Wearing is not wearing. 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 Now what color of dress are you wearing at the moment? What's the color of your dress which you are wearing at the moment? So the next word is wall. 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 Now some students call it wall. It is not wall. It is wall. Wall. It is not wall. Not wall. It is wall. Wall. The next word is hats. 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 Now students, this was all for today's lesson. After reading the new words, now it's the time that I give you homework. For your homework, I want you to draw a packet of biscuits. You can draw a box of biscuit or a packet of biscuit and write the name of the biscuit and color it properly. The box or the packet of the biscuit should be drawn, colored and named properly. And send me your homework on WhatsApp. I'll see whose homework is better than the others. And I hope that everyone would try their best to do the homework in a very beautiful and nice way. So I request all the parents to invigilate your children and guide them well. These lessons are for the children, but your guidance and your invigilation is also very important. तमाम वालिदैन से हमारी बारहा गुजारिश है कि आप लोग अपनी मौजूदगी में बच्चों को ये लेसन सुनवाएं ताकि उनका वक्त ज़ाया ना हो. किसी किस्म का भी कोई भी सवाल हो, कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो बच्चों को समझ ना आ रही हो, वो आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. हम हर किस्म के सवाल को आंसर करने के लिए मौजूद होंगे. आपसे आपके ताउन के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Now this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.